In a world connected by trade and finance, stability of our economies is of paramount importance. But who works behind the scenes to maintain this stability and promote global prosperity? Welcome to our video on International Monetary Fund IMF. IMF was formed in 1944 at Bretton Woods Conference. It is headquartered in Washington, D.C. and it has 190 member countries. It serves several key functions. First of all, it lends money to governments to stabilize currencies and maintain order in international financial markets. It plays a central role in the management of balance of payment difficulties as well as surveillance of global economy by monitoring the financial policies of its member countries. The IMF has faced criticism in the past for a condition it has attached to its loans and for its perceived focus on promoting liberalization and market-based policies. However, it has played a significant role in helping countries to stabilize their economies and prevent financial crises. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on international organizations.